Are you a proud parent in the point of gender equality? How can you teaching your children how to become a good human being in the point of gender equality? Are you teaching them both gender are equal starting from the age of 3? Ask yourself, whatever I'm seeing around me is not happening like that. What it is happening and how it is happening is people or the parent treating the children as the adult one at the age of 3 or 5. They are not even allowing them to talk with other gender, no matter about girl to boy or boy to girl. Why these kind of crises happening? Do you aware of that? Just overthinking. Nothing else. Educate your children properly because it's really essential. If you don't know how to educate your children in this point of view, then it is really, really tough for you to build up positivity, build a right education to your children. Let me tell you, if you allow your children to grow up in an environment where genders are equally considered, empathy, respect, and all kind of good things happen in a proper way and an equal way, just think about it, how your children will be going to live in the society in future. You might not be there to see them throughout their lifetime, but see, just imagine about it. It seems to be positive, right? If you protect them, if you make them afraid of talking to other gender at the age of 3, starting from the age of 3, then think what you're trying to give to your children. I understand it might be happening because of lots of crises are happening around us in the society, but make sure how you need to handle it. You need to handle it by educating your kids in the proper way. Make sure you're teaching your kids how to respect and have a empathize to other gender. They are not just a gender, they are another human being, right? Start seeing it from yourself first. Then only you can teach your children. It is must, because if you're not able to teach your children properly in this age, if this is the right age, I can say from 3 to 8, the age of 3 to 8, no matter on what kind of children you have, girl or boy, start teaching them about gender equality. Let them treat properly, equally to the next gender or the opposite gender. It is so important, because if you're unable to teach them during this age, it is really tough for you as well as for your kids to manage them in future. Once they adult, once they're facing their mid age, because you can see, right, lots of things happening around us. Do you know what is the actual cause of happening things? It's not just happening from the boy to girl, it also happening from girl to boy. Do you know what is the actual reason behind it? Because improper parenting. I don't really want you to be the another parent of it. Start working on it. Start educating yourself. You cannot educating yourself, right? Start learn on it. Learn it, then educate your children. Our mistake is your children or your parent, right? No one give you the ability to understand it or follow it before, because you might comes from different kind of environment. But start working today. It is must. Don't be in a fixed mindset. Start learning something from today. Throw away all kind of limiting beliefs. Work for you, work for your children growth. Gender equality plays a vital role in every children's life. It's not particular to girl, every children's life. And start working on it. Find your right coach or a mentor who can really make you being a parent. That is good parent. You should not tell, I am a good parent, I am a proud parent. Someone who can see you should tell that. Especially you will see in the form of your children growth, how you are actually teaching them, how you are actually building their ability to face the society. You can see it after their 18th year. After they crossing their teenage or crossing before it, you will see it. Then you will decide. But we cannot wait till that, right? You should start acting from today. Start working on it. It is must. I am vulnerable. I'm sorry for that because this is super important thing. You have to start working from today. Start working for your children and for your good health over gender equality is must.